I don't know what today's video should be about. Alright guys, so basically I kind of don't know what to do for Thursdays because that's like not supposed to be Shopify and it's not supposed to be a story. It's kind of just to add something different so you know the channel doesn't get boring, right? But yeah, so I decided I'm gonna give you guys a quick desk tour because it's actually pretty sweet, and I have a big window on it that I write on it all the time because if I don't have a list, then I don't do anything that day. It's straight up like that. Like from Monday to Thursday, I could wake up at whatever time I want. I could go to sleep at whatever time I want, and it tends to be like that. So I need a list because if I don't have a list, I am screwed for the rest of the day. Alright guys, so let's start off at the awesome electric desk books. Let's cover these real quick. This one's like a big boy book. If you guys ever want to grow up, okay, you read that book. I have face wipes because my face gets extremely oily, especially when like I'm in front of those screens all day. My face is extremely oily. This book, I haven't read this one yet. Hey, let me focus in. I haven't read this one yet, but apparently this is why fads happen, right? And then A/B testing. This is an amazing book of testing ads and like how to keep track, hypothesis, and all that kind of stuff. And it's very like scientific. Like, I feel like marketing should be a science because there's a lot of stuff behind it. So I have a chair right here, right? Just in case somebody wants to talk to me while I'm in my awesome chair, right? And have some camera stuff. My brother ended up breaking the tripod, which kind of sucks, but it's all good. It's all love, no hate. Over here I have some my backpack, camera charger, and over here you guys definitely probably noticed my collection, basically my library. So this is my goal, to finish all these books. Actually, I finished this book, Malcolm X. I'll put that. So I'm gonna make this. Okay, we're doing this now. This is my stack of books that I've read and that I'm going to read. So it's this one. I'm about to finish this one. I'm about to finish this one. So then this one will be next. So this is my finished stack. And I have some more books in my living room, but we'll get to that not in this video. But yeah, you guys can take a quick gander. We got business and statistics, Aztecs, the public speaking, which is definitely, I need to read that. I definitely need to read that. Grimm, I read some of that. Psychology language, this is really important even for marketing. Psychology experiments. This book right here in this packet, man, I'm gonna make a story of that on its own. And some other books. I've read some of this one, the ISIS one. Let me focus in. This one, I've read this one. I don't know why this one's doing over here. The Narrative Life of Frederick Douglass. That one's pretty sweet. It's really inspiring. It's like, dang, the slave. Frick. Okay, alright, ninja move it. Hopefully you don't break anything. Big more moves out in this channel. I'm kind of scared to. Alright, and I've actually read these two. Ooh, I'm bleep that. And then this is Lord of the Flies. So this is my stack of books that I've read so far. Not that much, honestly. But yeah, that's basically it. Got some Tony Robbins books, some Freakonomics, another what was that, World War II book. Alright, so going over here, we got my mice. Pretty sweet. Got a second monitor. Dual monitors is incredibly useful. I didn't realize how useful they were. I have two pictures of butt cheeks. That's my butt cheek and that's my friend's butt cheek. That's when we got branded. Yes, we stuck a hot piece of iron on our buttocks. Let me close this window real quick. And going out the window, oh, you probably can't be able to see it. That sucks. Wrong way. Okay, there we go. So I have what I need to do, select the video and thumbnail, some push-ups. I need to read and post a picture on Instagram. Santa Cruz stuff, because I don't know, guess I'm going back to school. Some house stuff. Okay, the school thing, I'll make a separate video on it. I'm not happy about it and I don't want to go. I don't need to go, but I promise that I will. And some business stuff. And then I can't show you too much, so let me, but that's those two. I have two whiteboards right there. That's all about business, all about tactics and profit margins and all that stuff, all that good stuff, comparing products. And then this she actually painted. Whoa, what the heck is happening with that TV over there? But anyways, we got some artwork that Lissa made me. It's actually the Timberland logo with blood running over it. I'm really fascinated by blood. Hey, Paul! And then over here, I have another whiteboard. As you can tell, I have tons of whiteboards. So that's just videos. And this one, if you guys want to know the story of when I was homeless, this is my homeless story. I'll say it once we reach 1,000 subscribers. I'm 44, so if you guys want to know about when I was homeless, that'd be pretty cool. Oh yeah, and then the last desk, right here, I have a LED lamp, so like it changes the colors and all that stuff. And my dad actually built me this desk right here. It's crazy. Matches perfectly. I have another drawer in here, and that's just tax stuff, but whatever. Alright guys, so let me see if I can flip the camera on myself. Yeah, that is not too bad. But yeah, basically that's kind of it. Alright, see you guys in tomorrow's video about the story.